Good morning, students. Welcome to your English period. Today we are going to start new chapter, lesson 11, The Rain. So, children, you take out your English literature book and literature copy and get ready for the work. Page number 87, lesson 11, The Rain. First, all of you put date 2 to 21. Now, The Rain. Gopal was a farmer. He had a wife and two children. He lived in a tiny village near Madurai. Gopal had a well on his land, but there was no water in it. Every day, Gopal looked at the sky. There were no clouds. The hot sun looked down on Gopal and laughed. Gopal went to Murugan. Please lend me 50 rupees, he said. I can't, replied Murugan. There's no rain. No rain means no ragi in the field. When the rains come, you can have two money. Gopal went home and looked in the little box under the bed. We have 60 rupees, he said to his wife. We can eat for a few more days. Then what shall we do? Every day Gopal looked at the sky. The sun laughed down at him. There were no clouds. Everyone was hungry. After a few days, Gopal looked in the box again. 4 rupees. Now turn the page. We only have 4 rupees for food, he said to his wife. And then he said his wife. And then no food, said Gopal. They looked very sad. Suddenly, Gopal's wife touched her earrings. What about these? She asked. I gave you those on our wedding day, said Gopal. Gopal's wife took off her earring. A tear dropped from her eye. Sell them, she said. We need food. Gopal was very sad, but he took the earrings and walked towards the town. Suddenly he stopped. Rain, rain, he shouted. The rain come pouring down. Gopal was very happy. This is a very beautiful and nice story. Children, you have to read this story, and then after you write down some hard words and their meanings. First, all of you put date 2 to 21, classwork, lesson 11, the day. Word and meaning. tiny. First word is tiny. Tiny means very small. Very small. Next, reply. Reply means answer. Third, suddenly. Suddenly means absolutely. Abruptly. Now, number 4, wedding. Wedding means marriage. Then after, number 5, pouring. Pouring means to rain, torrent. Okay, so children, you have to read chapter 11, the rain, and write down word meaning in your notebook with a good handwriting, and also learn this word and their meaning. So children, now bye.